Hello everyone, welcome to another solution video for while loop worksheet 1. Question 6, we're going to be outputting the squaring cubes of numbers in a range. So we're going to create a program that outputs square of n and the cube of n for all the numbers from 2 to n, where n is user input, hopefully type integer greater than 2. Let's get started. Let's start with our input, user input equals input, enter value greater than 2. At this point, you could have wrote code here to enforce that the input's going to be greater than 2, but we're going to assume that it's going to be greater than 2. Let's do our processing, output here together. So we're going to start at a value of 2, and we're going to go up towards your input. So while our start is less than the input. And then we're going to print the value start squared, and start cube, because we want the square and the cube of that number. Then, at every iteration, we're going to increase start by 1, and this is going to end when our start value is greater than. Let's check this out. So, if I enter a value of 5, that's going to be our output for this question. Thank you for watching and stay classy.